here are top 5 habits of productive software developers. Number 1, they're always maintaining a strict to-do list wherein they have defined what the tasks they are going to take up in a day. For example, I'm going to do one code review today. I'm going to write 2 methods with full unit test cases. And let us say I'm going to attend 2 to 3 meetings only. So this is what I'm going to set the tone of the day. And I'm going to stick to that. Number 2, we have all heard about CI/CD. Continuous integration, continuous deployment. For productive developers, it is CLCA, continuous learning, continuous action. So they will have a set of topics which they have already decided, let's say on a Sunday, what are the things they're going to learn over the week? And that is what they're going to stick to. No doom scrolling on internet, no doom scrolling on social media. They're just going to pinpoint and learn about those specific topics that they have decided. In that way, whatever work they're doing, they'll continue doing that. And at the same time, they're also learning, they're also focusing on the things that they want to upskill on. Number 3, they will take regular breaks and hydrate themselves. Like, you have to understand that whatever tasks you have put on a to-do list, you have to set either a timer on a phone or your computer or whatever works for you, like a Pomodoro technique. Take 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, whatever be the amount of work you can do in that particular period of time, do it. Get up, take a break, walk around, do whatever, no screen, no phone, and then come back and drink water also in between. So in that way, your mind becomes more flexible and agile, and you're always ready to take up more challenges. Don't stick to one place for a longer period of time. The next thing which they would do is they know how to get things done. So they are really very resourceful. So they will look up blogs, articles, videos, whatever online to just get the job done. And they're also good at networking with the peers, cross-team collaboration. So something they would do to get the assigned work done. So they're resourceful people, right? And the final tip is, if they're stuck with an issue, they're not going to stare at the screen and keep on thinking about how to fix it. They're going to shut the laptop, maybe go for a walk or a run or do some exercise and come back next morning. So most of us have this habit of, when I'm facing some issue and just keep on glaring at the screen and trying to understand what is the problem and just trying to find the root cause and just not able to get that thing out of the head. That is so much ingrained in us that we just cannot stop thinking about it. But developers who are actually productive and they know how to manage their time well, they will know that the solution to this issue will come eventually, but the time which I have set aside for my other activities is not going to come back. And that is the very reason why they will get up from the chair and just do the rest of the chores which they want to and come back next morning with a fresh mind. And as we all know, they'll be able to solve the problem. And I'm sure this has happened to many of us. So these were some of the tips which I got from studying some of the books, by reading some articles and stuff. And I found it really insightful and useful, so I thought of sharing it with you guys. If you're interested in watching more videos like this, subscribe to my channel.